Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 DCS September 2021. And in this video, we are going to discuss few more important questions of verbal ability section. And this is going to be part B for verbal ability, and part A is already uploaded. You can check the playlist. So now first question. He is bent to harm my reputation by false accusations. So we have to improve this sentence by changing this underline portion. So option first is bent to harming, bent to on harming, no improvement, and last one bent to harm. So which one you think is correct? So option bent on harming is absolutely correct here. Now question second. He welcomed me and requested me to be seated. So options are he said to me, welcome, please to be seated. He said to me, welcome and sit down. He said to me, be welcome, please sit. He said to me, welcome, please be seated. So you have to find the correct one. And correct option is he said to me, welcome, please be seated. And such type of questions are always asked in TCS digital capability assessment. So you have to prepare all these. Now third question. We will consider your application favorably for the vacancy. So options are your application has been considered favorably for the vacancy. Your application will be considered favorably for the vacancy. Now third one, your application is being considered favorably for the vacancy. Your vacancy will be considered favorably for the application. This is obviously wrong. So correct answer is your application will be considered favorably for the vacancy. Now next one, we have finalized the site for our new factory. The site for our new factory has been finalized by us. The site for our new factory is finalized by us. The site for our new factory had been finalized by us. The site for our new factory has been finalized by us. So correct answer will be the site for our new factory has been finalized by us. So this is correct one. Now next one. I said to him angrily, get out and don't dare to come here again. And options are 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to find the correct one. And correct answer will be I ordered him to get out and not dare to come there again. Now next one. An 8-year-old girl has made this beautiful painting. And in this sentence there is grammatical mistake and you have to find that. So you have to find in which portion there is grammatical mistake. Made this an 8-year-old girl has beautiful painting. In which portion do you think is mistake? So correct answer is an 8-year-old. There is mistake in this. An 8-year-old. So this portion is wrong grammatically. And now next one. The man said that he had been walking down the road with his guide dog. So there are few options and you have to find the correct one again. And correct answer is the man said I was walking down the road with my guide dog. Now it is believed by the doctors that she will recover soon. Options are the doctors are believing that she will soon recover. The doctors had believed that she is soon recovering, and two more options are there. And correct answer is the doctors believe that she will soon recover. Now in this you have to rearrange these four sentences in chronological order. He took great care of his subject and made sure they lived in happiness. Sometimes he himself went amongst the pupil in disguise to see and learn about their actual state. He sent spies into the kingdom to report him about the condition of his pupil. A just and loving king once ruled over a large kingdom. So here correct option is DACB. So here first will be this, and after that second will be this, and then third will be this, and fourth one will be this. So this will be chronological order for this. So this was all in this video. Thanks guys for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.